Well, well, well. Every other time at Emirates Palace, Mandarin Oriental, Abu Dhabi, Girl Ahead has been enveloped in an ocean of Arabia. Gold here, trellises there, and so on. This time she's in the Mandarin wing, which appears to have been completely revolutionized. And it's absolutely gorgeous. It's empathetic colors. It's got a USB port. It's got carpeting on the otherwise wood floor. The colors are palest salmon and taupe, and it's really gorgeous. It's got a touch of the East, but not too much. Lots of sockets and into the bedroom. The windows are Arabia. The bedhead wall is Arabia. The colors are international. The whole space seems so much larger. Mind you, with the layout of this place, a kilometre apparently from one end to the other, it's still going to be impossible to find my way anywhere. But even if I needed it, because there's a carpet, there's also a yoga mat, 2 kinds of slippers, and lovely floral robes. A really deep jacuzzi tub. Oh, and here's a gorgeous fluffy white robe. And small-sized toiletries. Diptych, when you're like this, you're very nice. But when you're big, like that, like those, you're not so nice. The whole space, considering what they've had to do with it, definitely is 10 out of 10.